so freaking pumped right now. On our way to pick up the new truck from the guys at Berkshire Performance. I literally have butterflies in my stomach right now. Ricky's all jacked up. They've sent me a couple pictures, teasers to get me going, but dude, I just cannot wait to see this thing. I'm sure the guys did an absolutely incredible job. We'll see you guys at the shop.
The close?
So pumped, dude.
Left or right?
Straight and then right. I would should have.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god.
Fuck, dude.
Oh my. You gotta be kidding me! Hey! You gotta be kidding me! You're kidding!
Oh my god. Is that Gus?
What the fuck?
They didn't put the tip on.
Dude. That thing is. I don't need to see anymore.
What's he watching for?
He's watching it for the video, dude. Oh my god. Do you guys see that back end, dude?
Dude, that thing's way up there.
That thing is giant.
Well, let's go fucking look at it.
I don't even need to. I literally don't. Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god. Alright, let's go, dude.
Okay, dude, relax. I don't care about parking.
I didn't show you the first time.
Dude.
You left the truck, huh?
You're kidding.
So, we'll give you the tour.
Yeah, but thank you guys for doing it so quick, honestly. Literally, like it's perfect. Yeah, it looks good. I don't know. Yeah, should have went. Couple finishing touches. Gotta slap the decals on, folks. So you felt a little bit?
Come on.
So close. Thank you guys so much for the view. Huge shout out to Gus, Berkshire Performance, all the guys at West Automotive up here in Dalton. Absolutely killed the build, dude.
Thanks,
just
man.
Straight up killed it.
Absolutely. We had a blast.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for the view. Check these guys out. Check out his page, Berkshire Performance. Be linked down below here. Check out the new merch. And thank you guys so much for the view. We'll see you on the next episode.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.